Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, we'll do the Antutu benchmark test in the Poco F3 GT device by using the Game Turbo 4.0. Yes friends, this is my first time doing this kind of Antutu benchmark test in this Poco F3 GT using the Game Turbo 4.0. And one thing is that in the Game Turbo 4.0, you do have the option to increase the performance. Yes, so let me to exactly show you how to do that. So I did upload a couple of other videos as well using the Game Turbo in this Poco F3 GT, which is a 4.0 version. So make sure to check that video in case if you want to know in-depth details. But meanwhile, let me show you exactly in the Game Turbo you do have the option to select the balanced mode and the performance mode as well. So in this kind of Antutu benchmark test right now, I'll be using the performance mode. As you can see friends, exactly, let's see using the performance mode whether we can actually improve any kind of score or not in the Poco F3 GT device, because in the Poco F3 GT we do always see this kind of same kind of score only, slightly kind of close to 6 lakhs, 6 lakhs 5,000, 6 lakhs 10,000, sometimes even less than 6 lakhs as well. So it's kind of changing, but let's see with the latest Game Turbo, is there any kind of improvement gonna be there or not. Right now in terms of the temperature, it's of close to 33 degrees as you can see, front and back everything. And even the Game Turbo I did add into the Antutu benchmark 3D bench as well. As you can see, even 3D bench also enabled for the Game Turbo. So both applications completely enabled for the Game Turbo 4.0 with the performance mode. Let's see friends how much the Antutu benchmark score we can actually expect in this Poco F3 GT device using the Game Turbo 4.0. For the first time I'm trying to do this kind of video in this channel, which is a Dimensity 1200 chipset. So this is going to be really very interesting thing on this Poco F3 GT. So again I'll be back after a certain amount of time just to check the temperatures of this Poco F3 GT device. So right now as you can see friends, the percentage is of close to 64%. Let's check the temperatures, how much it is. 36.6 degrees as you can see. On the back side is of 35.4 degrees. As you can clearly see friends, the temperature reading 36.6. So this is using the Game Turbo 4.0 using high performance mode. So let's see what happens with this kind of performance mode, whether we can actually improve any kind of score or not. Even I'm really interested and I'm really very curious to see what will be the result. Right now as you can see friends, the Antutu benchmark score about to finish in this Poco F3 GT. Let's see what happens with the Antutu benchmark score, final results, and the temperature is of close to 35.6 degrees, not bad. Let's see the final score. And finally the Antutu benchmark score has been finished and we got about 6 lakh score, which is quite usual, which we did see before as well in the Poco F3 GT. So even by using the Game Turbo 4.0 and with the performance mode doesn't increase any kind of Antutu benchmark score in the Poco F3 GT device. As you can see friends, at this moment same kind of results which we got before, and right now as well there's nothing much change at this point in terms of the Antutu benchmark score. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you want me to do any other testings, let me know in the comment section below using the Game Turbo 4.0. Next video upcoming will be on the Battlegrounds Mobile 90 FPS using the Game Turbo 4.0 in the Poco F3 GT. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested. So thank you for watching, see you in the next video friends, until then, bye.